Alright guys, what is up and welcome back. For once we're not working on the back, on the front of the S2000, we're going now in the back and started putting this on with some screws, and then underneath I have it, I'm sanding everything down to bare metal with some 80 grit sandpaper. I had to go buy more, so that's the bag that's over there. So I had to go buy more, but right now we're gonna take this off, sand some more down, and then panel bond that bitch. Let's get to it. Some 40 grit sandpaper. And always remember, guys, safety is the number one priority. Alright, so this is what we got so far. We have sanded all the way down to bare metal. Now it's just time to put on this cleanup. There's a little bit more that I can do to this, but we're gonna go ahead and clean this up, wipe it down, wipe this down, and then get ready to put on the panel bond, and then we'll go ahead and put on the screws back on, and we should be good to go. We should be good to go. Everything is good so far. Here we go. Now on to the fun part of this whole video is doing the actual panel bonding. I got some 3M, brand spanking new. So let's go ahead and build. Yeah, so now we're gonna leave those screws on for 24 hours, and then afterwards take it off and make sure it's on good, pull on it, jump on it, do whatever we gotta do to it. You know, we just gotta make sure it's on there. But now to do the other side, let's get to it. And just like that, you guys, we got it on. Panel bond is on and secure, as well as the panels. Obviously we got a little bit right there, but just ignore that, don't worry about that. We added some more screws. Don't worry about that either. It's gonna be part of the body, you guys. It's gonna be part of the body now. Tomorrow I'll take off the screws, see how sturdy it is, pull on it, kick it, step on it, stand on it, do what I gotta do on it. So let's give it 24 hours. Alright guys, it is officially been 24 hours, and I think the panel bond, the least to say, it has dried. Actually, because I got some over here on accident. This is pretty hard. This is pretty hard. Damn it, freaking wind, bro. Looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and take off all the screws. Okay, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. The only concerns I have are where there's quite a bit of gap right here. We're good right here, we're good right there, we're good all the way over here, and right here, going down to here, and then over here, and then we're good right here. On this side there's a couple more spots that are more dented in. That's not a good look, so we're definitely gonna have to fill those just to even them out with some of the carbon, with some of the filler strand. This whole side is pretty good. There's no issues, no curvies. There is just little gaps here and there. Nothing too crazy, nothing that we're gonna have to do regardless. This is where I kind of have the little bumps and whatnot. So right here, this is probably the worst one, where I kind of probably shouldn't have put a screw here. because this line like bended in and cave in. So it's now I have to really gonna have to work on this one right here. Try to make it as best as possible to get it to be straight. This side I didn't use so many screws, so it's not gonna have that issue. There's not that much denting going on, more gaps. The most denting is down here. Actually, the most like wavy, curvy, whatever you want to call it, is down here. Other than that, it's pretty good. This is on there pretty good. I'm pulling, that didn't sound good, but it's on there pretty good though. Right here, we could have used a little bit of maybe like a little thick amount of just a little bit of play, but it's all right. Right here is good. Over here, this side, yeah. See, yeah, it's all right though. It's good right there, good right there, good right there. We're all good. Look at that. It's just a good body kit. I don't know if I mentioned this. I switched out the bumper for this. It's a 20th anniversary bumper. That's the way. And this is what we're looking like, fellers and felleras. This is what we're looking like. Yup. It's coming out good. Official wheels already. I just need to make some adjustments, some lining up. Like I said, I gotta do this. Should do this within a week. Once I get that done, we got a couple fitment issues we gotta figure out here in the front for these fenders. These fenders are not original, so we're gonna try to make them work as best as my ability. Cause yeah, we got some fitment issues on these for sure. This side, look how much it's sticking out. I don't like that. I don't like that it's sticking out that much. Maybe we can push in just a tad bit more, like right there, let's say. Push that in, but it's quite a bit of work we're gonna have to figure out with that one. We're gonna get a professional coming in tomorrow to check actually out this. But this is practically like done, but tomorrow for sure I'll probably just be like, hey, check these out. Tell me what you think, what we can do to fix this issue. It's so high up. I don't like that. I do not like that. And then we got lining up within the sides right here. We need to line that up. Look at this side. So we either need to get these fenders right, or we need to move the hood just a tad bit over. But I'm assuming it's gonna be the hood that we're gonna need to move a tad bit over. So, but for now, this is S2000, you guys. This is what it's looking like. Performance. Yep. Take a look at it. Looks beautiful. I know. Now, 1 month away officially from Spocom. Thank you all for watching. See you next one. Peace.